Have you ever wondered what really happens when you tap that little airplane icon on your phone? It's a feature we all know, but few truly understand its full potential or the science behind it. Before we look at the hidden perks, let's talk about why it exists: to prevent electromagnetic interference with cockpit systems. Whether it's an iPhone, a Samsung, or a Pixel, that tiny plane icon is the universal switch for total disconnection. When activated, it instantly severs the three main signals: cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, putting your device in a radio silent state. This prevents your phone from constantly searching for a tower, which is the biggest drain on your battery life. It's also the ultimate tool for a peaceful night's sleep, ensuring no late-night notifications or blue light flashes wake you up, struggling with a weak signal. Instead of waiting, toggle airplane mode on and off to force your phone to find the nearest tower. For parents, it's a lifesaver. It blocks intrusive pop-up ads in offline games, keeping your kids focused and your data safe. And here is a pro tip: your phone charges significantly faster in airplane mode because it isn't wasting energy on background signals. But why the strict rules on planes? Radio frequency interference can cause a distracting buzzing sound in a pilot's headset. While modern cockpits are better shielded today, the regulation remains a critical safety buffer for navigation and communication systems. Even outdoors, it's useful. You can save your battery for emergencies while keeping your GPS active for navigation. So next time you see that plane icon, remember, it's not just for flying. It's your shortcut to productivity and peace.